Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sarah's House of Flavor. I hope everyone is having a beautiful day. If it's night, you're able to watch the video. I hope you are having a beautiful night. And just welcome guys, welcome everybody. Welcome to my new subscribers. Welcome to the beautiful family. So guys, as you can see, I am in the kitchen again. And it means that we are going to cook. Yes, we are going to make a dish today, and this is something that I love to eat. We are going to make some nice curry salmon. I know you would love to see how I am going to prepare this, so you have to stick around and also watch the video to the end so you can see exactly what I am doing. And remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Go over to the channel, man. Click on that subscribe button. Also remember to click on the bell so when I upload any new videos, you will be the first one to be notified. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's get the cooking. Alright guys, so here we have our salmon. It's already been washed. So now I am going to season my salmon, and what I'm going to use, I'm going to use some all-purpose season, some all-purpose here. I'm going to use some Maggi all-purpose season as well, right? Whatever season you have at home, you can go ahead and use your season. I'm going to add some black pepper. So I'm going to glaze it with some oil. Alright, we glaze our salmon here. I'm going to add some turmeric as well. You can use curry powder, but I'm going to use some turmeric here. Alright, now we're going to rub our season into our salmon. Ensure everything is well coated in the season. Right? I love to season the skin of my salmon. Alright, so there you go. Our salmon is seasoned. Beautiful. Alright, so I am going to start cooking the salmon. Now we have our frying pan here. Going to go ahead and add some oil. Not much to our frying pan. Alright, so we have our oil there. Alright, I'm going to add a little turmeric. Now we're going to add our salmon to our pot. Add our salmon face down. Alright, so I'm adding my salmon here. Alright, face down. Alright, allow my salmon to cook on one side for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's golden brown. Alright, so let's turn our salmon here. Look at that, beautiful, perfect. Alright, okay, we have turned our salmon. It is golden brown, it is perfect. Alright, allow it to cook on the other side for another minute. Alright, so let's remove our salmon here. Let's remove our salmon. Here I'm going to go ahead now and cut some onions. Alright, just chop some onions here. Let's cut some bell pepper as well. Okay, we have some red bell pepper. So here we have our sweet pepper, some onion, garlic, and a piece of thyme. Alright, so we're going to add these to our pot. I'm going to go ahead now and add our seasoning, sweet pepper, onion, time. All right, turn our flame up a little bit more. All right, so we have our season here. Let's add our coconut milk. Coconut milk there. Let's add a little more all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna allow this to simmer for another few minutes, and then we add our salmon. Add a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. All right, you can see this is coming to a nice sauce. All right, look at that, beautiful. Look at the color. And guys, if you could smell the aroma, smelling good. With our thyme, garlic, onion, Scotch bonnet. Yes. Ready to add our salmon. So just put it on top right there. Alright. Put our salmon right there. We're going to allow, just pour some of the sauce over the salmon. Turn our flame down. Just pour some of the sauce over the salmon. Just like that. Just like that. Alright. Just like that. Allow it to just simmer down for a minute. And then we can turn our flame off. That's our curry salmon in coconut sauce. All right, there you go. There you go. Look at that, how beautiful that is. All right, curry salmon in coconut sauce. All right, just cover here for a minute, and then we are finished with our curry salmon. Here we have our curry salmon. I go ahead and I serve it with some rice along with some coleslaw. Look at that, guys. This look amazing. Guys, remember to like this video, share the video, and if you have not subscribed, go over to my channel, man. Click on that subscribe sign and also click on the bell so when I upload new videos, you will be notified. But this is our curry salmon. So if you want to know how to make this dish, watch the video, guys. Watch the video. So this is the end result. This is what our curry salmon looks like. Can't wait to dive into this. Can't wait to dive into this. Look at this. This salmon is perfect. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Perfect. Let's taste it with our rice. Delicious. Delicious, guys. Delicious. Alright, guys. I catch you another time in Sarah's House of Flavor. Always put God first. Walk good. And I see you in another video. Bye, everyone.